Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to remove phone number from Facebook. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Facebook and then simply go to menu, and after that simply tap on the settings button in the top right corner, and then here you're going to have to simply tap on account center. Now after that you're going to have to simply tap on profiles. You're gonna have to scroll, go back, my bad, and then scroll down and tap on personal details, and then here you're gonna have to simply tap on contact info, and as you can see here I have my phone number and my email address. Now if I want to remove my phone number, simply tap on it and then simply tap on delete number, and basically that's all you have to do in order to remove your phone number from Facebook. But keep in mind that you're gonna need to have at least an email address or at least another phone number here. Basically with this we're going to use them to log in into our Facebook account. Now if you want to add a new phone number before deleting the old one, simply tap on add a new contact and then simply tap on add mobile number, and then here you'll be able to add your mobile number, and basically that's all. So then you can go back and delete the old one, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.